Thank you for media patient to be present here on time. Today why I call on you is that Hema Engti L.P School was marketed to non-Kegol L.P School without any officially discussed with teacher and managing committee. So, we the managing committee of Hema Engti L.P School would like to know for what reason the school was shifted from here. As directed from BMC, this is the emerging letter given by the teachers to me. But I can't believe this order is made accordingly by official. It was made by 2-3 person who is again on me and also again this school. So without inspection, without they visit to this school, how they can make this order? I want to know not only all the parent and all the student parent or is also surprising and excited why it happened so. So the KCC team and education EM Richard Tokby, they always speak out in the public meeting that they have brought quality education all around corner in Karbi Anglong. Is this a quality education? No. It is totally not a quality education. So, immigration means killing the school. So we are unhappy to accept this official letter. It may not be an official letter, but they inform me that this order was given by the Educational Institution Authority from Guwahati. But this is not given by Guwahati. I know clearly. The reasons of emerging Hema Engti L.P School to non-Kegol, well, two reasons as informed by the teacher. Number one, due to low enrollment of student, and number two, a very short distance to other school. This is the two reasons made by the SMC and the Educational Institute Authority. But as same condition as compared to Babu Singh Tokby L.P School and Bugoran Tokby L.P School to Panbari L.P School. Then why those school is no reason for distance? Secondly, student enrollment. I am going to tell you very clearly if you want to know. Hema Engti L.P School was at first, it was an EGS center. Established after proper investigation of distance from other school and background of this area by the KCC Educational Authority at that time. And the KCC go was SDC in Karbi Anglong Student enrollment well also more than 30. But at present time, 2-3 years, the EGS center were closed down. When ASDC government was not in power at council. So, I myself tried to keep the center to be continued. So, I myself finance the EGS center for 3 years. After that, due to financing problem, this center was closed down again. But luckily, in the year 2017, when Richard Tokbi, present education EM, became as a MEC from 26 Nong Duarbagori constituency, he inquired the whole EGS center in Duarbagori constituency area, where the EGS center were closed down, to restart again. So he himself conducted a meeting